Life is a winding road. For our room. But no telling where. There's literally so many at this Walmart. We don't even have this many at our Walmart. Babe went to go get a cart because I told him that I found some lamps that I want to look at. I'm hitting jackpot in this Walmart. Jackpot again. I've been looking for this for a long time. Well, Raya has this one, and I was told they only had it in online, so I found it in store. I did the Habit before. They have so much stuff. I'm gonna get a Cobb salad. It's called the Santa Barbara Cobb salad. That's what I'm gonna get from here because that sounds good. And I think I'm gonna get Diet Coke. My hair is a freaking mess. We finished at Walmart and I got a couple things I'll show you guys when we get home. Vlog. If I vlog tomorrow, I'll tell you guys the good news or not. But I got something for the bathroom that I showed you guys, and I have to go to a meeting for work, so we're gonna finish our laundry and then I'm gonna go to my meeting, and then after that we're gonna go to Lowe's so I can get plants because they said they probably have better ones there, which is probably true. Walmart, I don't remember ever buying plants from Walmart, but I know that Lowe's has really good ones. So yeah, I just wanted to say, hey, we're about to eat lunch. Your girl's starving. So
you're my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless.
look how cute this looks. I moved it. Babe said it would look better this way, so I moved it and I cleaned off these because these were dirty. And then I guess we're gonna put the desk right here once I get it. But the brushes look super cute over here. This thing I'm so happy I found at Target. I think we found it. Did we find it in the bathroom section? The bathroom section of Target for like 20 bucks, and I just put all my essential like products, deodorant, all that stuff. I love this, and it's super big. Like, it fits so much stuff. I'm probably gonna change out stuff once I use this stuff up, but this is like my everyday stuff, and I wanted to leave it out. I didn't want to have to put it away. And then I just put my scrunchie holder back there, and my pineapple from Big Lots just like tops this corner off. So I'm excited with how that came out. And the hangers, as you guys saw, but I ran out of hangers. Didn't think that was gonna happen. Order the same ones but a smaller pack because I don't need 50 more, but I have like my flannels and jackets that I need to do, and I don't want to store those at my mom's for winter clothes because I feel bad like leaving my stuff over there. But yeah, I'm glad I got that stuff done for the night because I wanted to do that stuff. And my other package should be here, and then I'm gonna go and water and put the plants I got yesterday inside of that little thing, and I will show you guys that. Let's finish vlogging. I check my phone because I always check my Amazon like orders to see when they're delivered, and my necklace came in the mail. So cute, a little plate. This was like trending on Like to Know It right now, and I know there's like a pricier one, but I found this one, and I don't remember how much it was, but I know it was cheaper. So I'm gonna find a littler one because I want one that just has like a little bee on it for like when I go to work. But yeah, I guess it looks good on the dresser. It came with one? Awesome. Warmer that we got, it's bronze color, and then that's the bathroom organizer we got. Beautiful. The flowers look so good. This seemed a little bit different than I did last time, putting it in there with it already having soil, but then I just added some to it and I was like, it looks good. And then I washed off some of the porch because I had soil everywhere. I still haven't gotten flowers for the other pots that I have, so this is just the start to my planting. And okay, so my camera's gonna die, but I wanted to show you guys, I got these slides in the mail from Bossofbeautyxo, and they are so cute. I thought they would be not as cute as this. I don't know, I knew they were cute because obviously I wanted them, but when I got them in the mail today, I was like, oh my god, I love them. They fit so perfect. Like, they don't feel like too big or too small. I wear a size 7, and like this top part isn't like super tight on my feet. They look so cute on. Love them. And I also ordered like 3 other pairs. I think I got a studded black pair from Boohoo, and then I also got a glittery pair from Just Fab or something like that. I don't know, that Fabletics, not Fabletics, some fab thing, but I wanted to show you guys. They're stinking freaking cute, and they're perfect for like the lake and stuff because they're all rubber. So thought I would show you guys my slides. Is my coffee recipe, and I just swirl it or stir it, doesn't matter. It's just so good and smooth. But I'm getting ready to run out of this creamer, so I was gonna go to the store when I get off work, and I was gonna get coffee coconut creamer. Coconut creamer used to be like my favorite thing. I don't know if I ever mentioned it in the vlog, but I don't know if my hairdresser even watches this, but she got me into drinking coconut creamer. She always had it at the salon when she was doing my hair, and I've just been obsessed with it, but I haven't got it in so long because I feel like select stores only have that creamer. So, but yeah, that's a side note. I need to get some coconut creamer because I've been craving it. I'm loving this hoodie. I want to live in this hoodie, and I just ordered more stuff last night from Urban Outfitters. So I feel like I'm obsessed with that place now. They just have such good quality clothes, and they're super cute. But I came home to my package from Amazon that is, kind of looks a mess in here, and I ate my sandwich. These are the little things that I got on Amazon for my dresser, but I don't know, these things just looked way bigger, and I put some of them in there already, but as you can tell, like, I don't know, you can't fit a lot of them, and so I basically just rolled up my sweatpants and my pajama pants, and then this little baby one I just put all my shorts in, and then this has workout pants in it, my Nike Pros, and then now I need to work on, I don't know, I'm gonna like refold all these jeans because I have so many of them, and my shorts, but I think I'm gonna use these little ones for like my socks and stuff, but I feel like I'm definitely gonna have to order more because obviously it's not enough, but I don't know why I thought there was gonna be way more, so I'm gonna try to figure that out. Having a cheat drink today. We got new cups at work. This is a confetti colored cup, so normally it comes with a blue lid and a rainbow straw, but we didn't have any of the lids or the straws, and the confetti color like changes colors when you put a drink in it, so it's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm just doing that right now, figuring it out, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. Alright, so I thought I'd show you guys this top part because I just finished doing this. It took me like 20 minutes, I think. Last time I vlogged, I was doing this the whole time. So I just split this one up with this one, and I put all my underwear in here, and I folded all of them like they fold them at Victoria's Secret, kind of. That's all I ever wear is Victoria's Secret underwear because they're like just the best. So I put the two little half ones in here. I folded all of my sports bras because that's all I ever wear in here. My bralettes are in here. My other ones are washed. So I have this one, and then I have like bandeaus under here. Like, you all remember those? And then I have my other one from Pink, which is under there, the gray one. And then I have like a sticky bra that's back here with another bra. So this is as organized as it's gonna get. It looks a lot better. I think you guys have seen how unorganized these were. And then this one I put all my everyday socks. I wear the Kirkland socks. And then I have like some Hanes and some, I forget what these ones are, but I have some really nice new socks. I bought the pack at Costco. So, and then my like ankle socks, I have all my everyday ones in here, and then all my holiday socks and my fuzzy socks are like all spread out around the side. So, looks a lot better than it did. I mean, this drawer can only get so cute. So I'm gonna work on this bottom drawer, trying to put all these clothes away. I got ready, kind of. I like put my hair in and curl it a little bit. I gotta color them because they like don't match my current extensions, but I just wanted to take an Instagram picture, and sometimes you just feel like you are kind of down and you just need to get ready and do your makeup. So that's exactly what I did, and I'm gonna go to the store really quick and grab some stuff to make some spaghetti for dinner because that sounds good to me. Yeah, just wanted to pop on here with makeup for once because I haven't worn makeup in a while.
Life is a winding road,